Hello dear students, today we will discuss Rajya Sabha and you have to watch this video from the beginning till end. And if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt through comment box. So let's start our topic. As we know, in the Parliament of India, there are two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. That's why the Parliament of India is called bicameral legislature. So today we are talking about Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also called the Council of States as it provides representation of states. And on the other hand, Lok Sabha is called the House of the People. And in Rajya Sabha, different states are provided different representation against their area and population. And two things are considered while giving the representation to the states in upper house or Rajya Sabha. First one, it is considered that each and every part of India must get its proper representation in the parliament or in legislature. And the second point is each part of India having larger or smaller portion of population must get its representation in the house in proportion to the population. So it may be fair and quite reasonable for those states who are big or have a larger portion of population. When we talk about USA, then in USA there are 50 states and each state has 2 seats. It means 2 members are elected and sent to the Senate by each of those 50 states. So in America, whether the states are larger or smaller, or the population of states is little in number or greater in number, have equal representation. But in India it is not so. In India, the representation to the states is given on the basis of the area as well as on the population. If when we talk about large states like Uttar Pradesh, UP has the maximum population and that's why maximum seats are given to UP in upper house Rajya Sabha. And when we talk about Sikkim, then minimum seat, that is 1 seat, is occupied by Sikkim in upper house, that is Rajya Sabha. And Rajya Sabha can consist 250 members in maximum, and out of those 250 members, 238 members are elected by the members of Vidhan Sabha in states, or what we say MLAs in states, and other 12 members are appointed by the President of India, who are a renowned person in literary, arts or social services. And all the members are appointed for a tenure of 6 years. And Vice President presides the meetings of Rajya Sabha, and that's why he is considered the head of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is never fully dissolved because every 2 year 1/3 members of Rajya Sabha completes their term of 6 years, and on those vacant seats fresh elections are held, and the vacant seats, which are 1/3 of the total members, are filled again at every 2 year, and the members have liberty to be re-elected and go to Rajya Sabha again and again. So this is all about Rajya Sabha, which we discussed today, and in next class we will discuss Lok Sabha. Till then, keep learning. Thank you for watching this video.